Take note of this so that you won't be scammed in this year 2024. Okay, so as you are waiting for your placement results, okay, that is 2024 school placement for SHS and TVET. Take note, this year you are not going to buy vouchers. Note, let me repeat it again. You are not going to buy placement checkers. You will not need it. The government is saying that this year no student will buy vouchers to check your placement. So when you hear that the placement has been released, just go to the CSSPS.gov.gh, go to the website, enter your 10-digit index number plus your year of completion, which is 2024, and submit to check your placement for free. You are not going to buy checkers. Take note of that. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye.